Hey there, it's Melissa. I'm here with my weekly in-store Aldi Finds video for the week of April 23rd through April 29th. As you know, Aldi's made some changes to the way that they show us stuff in advance online now, so each week when I do go in store, I try to just show you as much as I can the different colors, styles, variations, etc. We have a ton of great stuff for Mother's Day. Let's start off with these pasta salad kits. How yummy do these look? Let me know if you try them. They look delicious. We've got the barbecue baked beans, the bold and spicy, and the home style. They are all so good. We've got the jalapeno ketchup and the habanero ketchup. Both of those sound very good. $2.19. We have this Primal Kitchen Ranch and the buffalo sauce, both made with the avocado oil. Those are $5.99. We have Mott's Baked Apple Streusel, made with applesauce, and the banana streusel, also made with applesauce. Those are $2.49 a box. We have the carnitas and cheese pupusas. Am I saying that correctly? I have a friend that makes them, and they are delicious. There was no price. We've got these hanging basket, is that what they call them? The basket steaks, yes, 3 different styles to pick from. Very pretty, $6.99. That's a great price. We have this garden fence, I believe they're calling it. It's a nice size, and that is $6.99 each. We've got these geometric solar lanterns, 2 different styles to pick from. They are really pretty. $6.99 each. We have these hummingbird feeders in the red, blue, and the purple. They are beautiful. $9.99. We have the propagation vases. These are so pretty too. Absolutely beautiful. And that is $9.99. We have this, oh, I was so tempted to get this, the wooden planter with the trellis. My husband talked me out of it, $19.99. They're really so nice. We've got the hanging baskets, 14-inch, 2 different styles to pick from, $4.99 each. You cannot beat that price. And we have the extra inserts for them, and those are $2.49 each. We have these cute little solar garden statues. They are all adorable. Super cute, $9.99 each. We have this huge trowel, the planter trowels. They are very big. 2 different styles to pick from. Here's a better look at the difference between them. Very pretty. No price on those. We have these mini gardens, the unicorn, the dinosaur, the axolotl. Those are adorable for the kids. They're really cute. $7.99. We have the Bug Adventure Kit. I love these. They are just so cute for the kids. And those are $9.99 each. We have the pickleball set. So you got everything in there that you need, $29.99. We have, this is so cool, the plant tower. So you get 4 of them to a pack. They really are pretty sturdy feeling, $9.99. We have these plant, the steps for the plants. Flower steps, yep, that's what they're called. 2 different styles to pick from. Those are $24.99. The decorative glass tables. So those are the 3 different ones that you can pick from. They are beautiful, and that's a great price at $12.99. We have this really pretty rattan chair with the stowable ottoman, $49.99. We've got the cute little bubble mower, so adorable. And the bubble leaf blower, just the cutest, $12.99. We have the giant 4 in a row game. So that's 4 feet long, over 4 feet long, $49.99. We have the pop-up soccer goals, 2 of them in that box. And then we have the large foldable soccer goal. And those are $19.99 each. We have the Nest Swing. Those are so fun. That is $29.99. We've got all different types of balls here. So 2 different volleyballs to pick from, 2 different basketballs, 2 different soccer balls, $8.99 each. We have this wine or area. Why can I not say that? Dispenser. $14.99. We've got the various little accessories for the bar, all different things to pick from. Measured liquid pourer, the champagne seal. We have the wine, not going to say that word again. The cocktail jigger, all kinds of stuff there to pick from. $22.99 each. We have the mortar and pedestal. Why am I having mortar and pestle? I'm really having trouble lately. My brain is not back in order yet. These are beautiful. They are acrylic, two different colors, the green and the purple. Beautiful. These cinnamon churros taste just like the ones that you get from Taco Bell. They are so yummy, $1.29. We have the Cinco de Mayo chocolates. There's the flavors. And that is $3.29. We have the chocolate truffles. They also had some really nice sounding flavors there. And that is $4.49. We've got the the coffees for Cinco de Mayo, the horchata and the dulce leche. We've got this dry roasted chili and lime pistachios. Those sound yummy, $4.89. This Mexican style corn is one of my favorites. It is great in pasta salad. It is so good, $1.29. These bowls are beautiful. They are like a hard plastic. You have the larger bowl, the smaller one, the taco tray, and that 3-compartment dish. $5.99 each. We have these beautiful Legos, the botanical ones. They are so pretty. I think it's just 2 to pick from, $26.99, but take a look at my sneak peek that's attached in the bottom. This bag, I bought it. I love it. It's great. 4 different ones to pick from, $6.99. We have the Mother's Day cards. They always have the best cards at the best price, 99 cents. We have the keepsake kits and the stepping stones. There's the 3 different ones that you can pick from, $4.99. We've got this beautiful, the diffuser. Those are the 4 different scents that you have to pick from, $4.99. Here's the matching scented candles. Same scents as the diffusers. Beautiful candles. And those are $4.99. We have the lip mask, the overnight lip mask, $5.49. We have this beautiful little cosmetic bag. It's really a nice size, 3 different colors to pick from, $9.99. We have the satin gift set. So there's the different items that it comes with. There are the 4 different ones that you can pick from, and those are $5.99. We have the 2-pack on the soft bra. Those are very nice, $9.99. We have the Conair curling iron, the hot styling brush, and the flat iron for $14.99. That's a great price. We have the ladies sandals. There's the 3 different styles that are available. They are really pretty, $9.99. We have the summer vibes on the facial trimmer, the dry wet shaver, and the cordless shave and trim system, $12.99. We have the ladies sleep shirt in the green, the blue, and then this black floral pattern. That's really pretty. Those are $7.99. And these soft robes are so soft. Really nice. That one is beautiful. I love that. And then you have that black floral pattern and the blue one in the solid. Those are $9.99. We have this miso marinated Chilean sea bass. No price. There's a lot of no prices this week. Forgive me, but they didn't have them. Shrimp taco kit and the shrimp fajita kit. Those are really good. We have this extra jumbo raw shrimp 2-pound bag. I think I did find the price on this. Yes, $14.99. That's a great price. We got this swahi. Is that how you say it? There's the price on the top right, $7.99. We have the street tacos and the pork carnita street tacos. Those are excellent. This black tiger shrimp. They are humongous. Do you see it's bigger than my thumb? They're huge in the freezer section. We have these churro bites filled with the chocolate hazelnut cream. They sound delicious. And these fruit bars with the creamy strawberry, creamy coconut, and creamy banana also sound delicious. These Wonder Pecan Cinnamon Twists, I have never seen these before. Let me know, are they good? And then here's some of the bushes, the fruit bushes that are available this week. And I've never heard a bad thing said about any of the gardening type stuff, bushes, trees, etc. Let me know what you're most excited for. Give me all the likes, love, whatever comments that you can. It really does help me. My videos have been a little bit hidden, so anything you can do, I super appreciate it. Don't forget the sneak peek is below, and have a great week, and I will see you soon.